So we're just starting a pistol challenge with my mate Jack, otherwise known as it's JWC. It's complicated. You haven't saw my lag. I've been lagging quite a while. Yep, the lag. It killed me. Fair play. Fair play. Yeah, I'm hoping to change my YouTube channel name called The Hawkmeister99. There's been some technical difficulties, I may say. It hasn't worked, but I'm gonna apply it because it's my dream name. Oh my god, my lag. I never usually lag, so I don't know if it's me. Oh, he's obviously gonna be there. But guys, stay tuned because I know right now I'm not playing that well. But this isn't live, and I know there's a sick comeback going on. Comeback, I can't say it right. And you'll see in a minute. For a bit I changed to my Arcade 5, which didn't really go well. But I don't think I recorded it on this clip, so that's good. Flipping hell. Reload. So guys, I think this is when... No. It's... I mean, Hun Darby, I did well when I had his gun. So good, give credit to Jack with his gun. With all that effort and time, which I can't be asked to do. I'm just wasting that because I want to be a fair player. I think this is where the comeback's on. Okay. As you can see, I'm being very stealthy. This one was the MR6 that quick. Jeez. Yes, guys, Hawkmeister99 is also my Xbox Live, Xbox One, obviously. Name, game tag. So feel free to add me. And add Jack. I never knew he could hear me from this party. Wait, Jack, talk. I don't know if they can hear you, so just in case. Also add it's so capital I, is it? Capital T. Okay, so add my friend Jack. He's capital I, capital T, capital Z. So it's then with a lowercase z. So it's z. Then all caps space all caps JWC. Because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be able to upload this or do anything. And I need to record, so haven't been recording in a long time. Soldier down. Honestly. I've been trying to do this video editor, but you needed a what's it called? A license. Bayonet. Since when did you have that? You never had the NX Shadow Claw, Jack. No, you haven't. You show me a minute then. No, this uploading's done. Guys, I'm gonna upload another thing today about just little bit move.